Hello, Jenny and the rest of our friends at Marquette General Hospital in Michigan. My name is Philip Rulo with Rultract, and I want to quickly go over what should be and shouldn't be done to the Rultract clamps for cleaning and sterilization. I know that you've already received an email from Janice. I just want to go over this with you as well. One of the things that we stress when preparing the clamp for cleaning and sterilization is that the jaws are not open all the way or closed all the way. So we want them to be somewhere right in the middle, and then make sure that the jaws move freely. Also, with the wing handle, you don't want it to be closed all the way or opened all the way. You want it to be somewhere right in the middle. Reason is the heat can cause the clamp to freeze in place or seize in place if you have the jaws closed or open all the way for cleaning and sterilization. So just be sure that they are somewhere right in the middle. Now, this is one style of clamp that you have. From what I understand, you also have a clamp like this that you may or may not still be using. Same thing with this clamp. Make sure that the jaws are just somewhere in the middle, not open or closed all the way. Something else that's very important to note is that these screws are not designed to be removed for cleaning and sterilization. So do not remove the screw. Do not remove the handle. There are pins that hold the handle in place. If you pull that handle out, the pins will bend and then you won't be able to get it back in. You'll have to send it for service. So do not remove your screws or your pins or your handles on these clamps. Same thing with this clamp. Do not remove the pins or take the handles off for the same reason. So you do not want to remove the screw here, and you do not want to remove the screw here. So all you need to do for these clamps for cleaning and sterilization is make sure that the jaws are somewhere right in the middle, not open or closed all the way, and that the handles move freely. I hope that helps. If you have any further questions, please contact us directly. Thank you and have a nice day.